Hey, what's that wiener genius up to now?
I don't know, but whatever it is, I bet I don't understand it.
Oh boy, tug of war! Or not.
72, 73, 74, 75.
Okay, I'm curious.
And 134 equals 3.141592. Stupendous!
Strudel, what is it?
You won't believe this, but if you multiply the diameter of the parking lot by the height of the fence, then divided by the length of this kennel, you get pi.
Cherry or pumpkin?
No, not pi. Pi, as in 3.14159, the magic number of Euclidean geometry. Doesn't anyone share my excitement?
We share it, Strudel. We don't understand it, but we share it.
Nobody gets me.